Where my ladies at?
Yeah.
Sedan, the God of Sound.
Yeah.
Just relax. Lay back, lay back.
Cause I'ma talk your panties.
Yeah.
Cause I'ma talk.
She really want the,
She really want the.
so I'ma give her that.
So I'ma give her that.
So do you really want the?
You really want the.
Yeah, I'ma give you all the. Yo, she really needs the.
Yo, she really needs the.
So I'ma hit her with the.
So I'ma hit her with the.
So I'ma let her have.
So I'ma let her have. Cause I'ma talk your panties.
Hey yo, I start to speak and the knees get weak. A little bit of hide and a little bit of seek. Now come on, honey, let's start this convo. I love to jiggle till you wiggle and your curves, yo. You got me on one. It's all you, hun. You're fine and I'll make you mine before the sun come. I'm like rerun. I'm like a shogun. I got a big surprise and I know you want some. Cause I'ma talk your panties off. 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 Cause I'ma talk your panties off.
Panties off. Panties off.
I get more panties than Hanes, this ain't a secret. You will remember my name, son, best believe it. After that cream pie, honey, just leave it. You're walking around all squishy cause you miss it. Take it slow, real talk about to happen. And this is called undress, unzip, unfasten. I'm so nasty and nothing gets past me. You want your kitty played with, all you do is ask me. Yo, she really want the, so I'ma give her that. Yo, she really needs her, and I'ma do the. Yo, she really wants the. Yo, I gotta give her. Yo, and I gotta. Cause I'ma talk your panties off. Of course. Yo. Yo, so what's poppin'? Damn, it's about time panties start dropping. When the panties touch the honey pot, that shit is hot. Time to stop playing and show me what you got. Let me get some lovin', and what should I be touching? Push some love all up in your oven. My fetish to see how wet it gets. Inspect the goods and see where I can lick it yet. Take off the jeans, bed like a trampoline. Get the camera, do you a sex scene? I'ma crush you like the balls. Come and get that salad toss, but first I'ma talk your panties off. I'ma talk your panties off. So let me talk your panties